Hello and welcome to JKEV. I am Joe, and today I want to do a pretty quick video. I wanted to show there's a recent app update to the Electrify America app, and you now can use Apple CarPlay as well as using Apple CarPlay to activate and stop the charge. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you today. So I'm here in the Volkswagen ID4. However, this is something that'll work with any vehicle that has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So it's not vehicle specific. Also, before I head to the charger, I'm gonna go pick up some lunch from Chick-fil-A. So once I get to Chick-fil-A, I'll go ahead and give the tutorial on how to get directions to the charger, etc. And this would also be a great time, if you haven't already, to like and subscribe the video if you like this content. Also, please comment below. Do you like the longer vlog videos that we do? Or do you like these shorter couple-minute videos that kind of are straight to the point and a quick tutorial on miscellaneous things such as CarPlay today? So please let us know below. Thanks. All right, while I'm waiting for my food, we can go ahead and get the directions set up. So I go to Apple CarPlay here, and then I go to the Apple CarPlay home screen, Electrify America. Let these stations populate. Here's the one I'm looking for, Villa Park. So I'll go ahead and say that, and let's navigate. And so by default, it switched the program I was on to Apple Maps, since that's my preferred map service. So I can just click go, and we'll be on our way to the charger, and then we'll pick up back over there. All right, so we are pulling into Walmart because, you know, Electrify America, always Walmart. Chargers are right over here. I already checked on PlugShare, and I know a couple of them are not working, so I have to reconfirm which one that is. But another neat thing on this app is if you go back to Electrify America right here, you can press details on this charger, and it'll show you things like the rate and prices and what chargers are available. So it agrees with PlugShare that 2 of them are broken, 2 of them are available, and then we'll go ahead and select a charger once we figure out which one we're going to charge at. All right, so we are at station 2. So we're going to go ahead and select that one and press start the charge. So now let's go plug in the vehicle and see if it works. And it's quite cold today, 62 degrees in Chicagoland. Winter is coming, but you know, it's what we deal with. So as you see here, it says please plug in. So it should work once we finagle this cord in here. Let's see if it gets going. Connecting to vehicle. Not used to seeing these window prompts over here. I'm not sure if that's normal. But there we go. We are initiating charge right now. How cool is that? And we're able to initiate the charge straight from the vehicle. There you see the voltage, amps ramping up right now. It's interesting, I'm not used to seeing this level of detail on the Electrify America charger, so I'm not sure if this one's malfunctioning or this is a new update they've sent, so we shall see. There we go. 78 kilowatts right now. That should ramp up a little higher with the Volkswagen as the pack warms up a little bit. I didn't get to drive too far, but moral of the story was activating from the app worked great. Same story inside the car. We're charging at 5 miles a minute, so pretty cool feature. I like this new activating from the CarPlay app. It's a one step closer to, you know, if the navigation is not the best. This is a very nice solution that you can use the Electrify America app, find which charger you're trying to get to down the road, click on it, navigate to it with your Apple Maps or whichever navigation app you prefer to use, and press initiate the charge through the CarPlay, which uses the free Electrify America charging, and pretty simple process. So definitely a little bit easier than having to go into the app or having to touch your phone to start the charge. Anything to make all these processes easier is always a good thing. However, I do have to say, it's always exciting and fun to go on PlugShare and see that half the chargers are not working. But Electrify America, I know, is working on getting better, and they have gotten better, so they will progress over time. It's time to eat my Chick-fil-A, and we'll tune back in to show how to stop the charge through the CarPlay app as well. All right, we are charged to 55%. For some reason, the charging speed never really got above 70. Not too worried about it. I mean, it could be something to do with the charger. It could be that my battery pack still is a little cool. But that wasn't the point of this video. I could have probably bounced around between the other units and maybe gotten a faster speed. But now it's time to go ahead and stop the charge. I was able to eat my lunch while getting some free charge. That's always great. So I go ahead and click right here. And that will initiate stopping the charge. And then the charger over here will stop just like that. And now it's time for us to go unplug. Also, it pops up with the idle fees, which is very convenient to remind you that you stopped the charge on the Electrify America app. All right, so we can unplug the charger. Make sure to put it away properly. There's our data on the charge, free of course, 18 kilowatts over 16 minutes. And then it automatically populates back to the home screen. Some cool features about the app. So here's the stations right here, listed here, and then you can pick them on the map. There are filters you can apply. So if you're in an area, it's common that the chargers are full. You might want to use the available now. For me, I've never encountered a full charger, so I just leave it on all of them. Also, since, maybe when I get to a charger, it might be available if it was full at one point. You can select your vehicle, which I guess I could select the ID4. But there's always going to be a CCS plug at the unit I'm going to, so that should never be a problem. You can select the charging speed if you're picky about what charge you arrive to, but around me, I've always encountered 150 and higher kilowatt chargers. So it has my recent charger, so here's the one I just used. I can favorite some chargers, and then it also has my plan, so it shows that, okay, I'm using the ID4 charging plan, so that'll be the free charging. But if you were driving another vehicle, maybe you have an ID4 and then a Kia Niro plug-in, you could go ahead and set it up to use the regular Electrify America pass for your charging session. But all in all, in my opinion, a pretty big upgrade for the infotainment system, thanks to Electrify America, which is Volkswagen. So thanks, Volkswagen. And that's pretty much all I got for this video. That's the tutorial for the Electrify America app using CarPlay. Android Auto is very similar, so you shouldn't have too many differences between them if you are an Android user. And so at this point, I would just like to remind you again, please like and subscribe. And we have a bunch more videos coming. I'm working on editing our cross-country trip to Montana, so I'll have that up over the next couple of weeks. Have a couple other videos in the pipeline, but thanks again. Take care.